If you want to give your Windows 11 settings a fresh new look, there is a new WindHawk mode that lets you do it effortlessly. It adds the popular glass and transparency effect, making the settings page look cleaner, more modern, and visually appealing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up. Let's get started. Head on to the official website of WindHawk, click on the download icon to proceed. Now we're going to install it right away. Click on OK, next. Choose yes when you get that notification. Click on next, then install it. Once that is done, click on finish. After installing the WindHawk application, the next thing is to install the modes. Head on to Explore. The particular mode we're looking for is Windows 11 Settings Styler. Okay, type Windows 11 Settings Styler. There we have it. Click Details, click Install, proceed to install it. After installing the mode, go on to Settings. Under Theme, go to the right side here, expand it. As at the time of making this video, we have 4 options, which is Densi, Classic Search Bar, Store Frame 11, and Blue. And I'm going to go through these one by one, okay? Starting with the Densi, click on that and choose Save Settings. Now if you go on to the settings, this mode makes your settings compact and it adds a bit of style to it. You might not even notice the change. So we're going to go to the next one, which is the Classic Search Bar. Click on that, choose Save Settings. Now when you head on to the settings, you can see that we have the search bar on the left side here, as opposed to the regular search bar, which is noticeable at the top here. Now onto the next one, we have Store Frame 11. Choose Save Settings. I actually like this one. This gives you the vertical tab on the left side here, so you shouldn't have any problem navigating through your settings. And also, we have this compact search bar at the top. This is looking pretty cool. And if we go on to the next one here, click on Blue, choose Save Settings. This is giving that Windows 7 vibes. If you've used the old Windows, you'll know what I'm talking about. So if you're a fan of this kind of style, you can go for it. But as for me, I'm going to change it back to the previous one. Store Frame 11, Save Settings. I'm going to show you how to add this transparency effect to give it that glassy look, okay? And to do that, you will need to download the file. I'll be providing the link to that file in the description. So after downloading it, all you have to do is extract it. Right in the file, you will see this code. Double click on it to launch it. Then press Ctrl A to highlight on everything, then copy. Copy the codes. I'm going to X on this, minimize it, head on back to WindHawk, go on to Advanced, scroll down to Mode Settings, get rid of the existing code, paste the code we just copied, then click on Save. And if we head on back to the settings, now the settings is transparent and it's giving it that glassy look and it's just awesome. Pretty cool, I must say. In my previous videos, we've used WindHawk to add transparency effect to the taskbar, start menu, and even the file explorer. You can check out my channel for those videos. If at any point you don't want to use this mode anymore, it's very easy to disable it. Just go back to WindHawk. If you go onto the home page, at the top here is the mode that has been installed. To disable the mode, all you have to do is to click on this toggle. It's going to disable the mode and it should take your settings back to the default. And if you want to remove this mode completely, just click on remove and that should remove the mode. And of course, if you don't want to use WindHawk anymore, you can simply uninstall it just the way you uninstall every other application. So I hope you find this helpful. Smash the like button if you do. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on my future post. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Peace out.